Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen, outdoor kitchen, for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, it's a nice sunny day, it's warmish, it's 50 some degrees, and I'm gonna fire up the grill. Decided to do some grilling, so it's warm out, let's do this. We'll show you what we got going and show you how we're cooking it. Alright y'all, here's what we got going for the grill today. Got a couple nice little New York strips, and I've had these sitting to get the room temperature. I just like to have my grill meat that way. And the only thing that's on here is a little bit of seasoned salt, a little bit of pepper. We got some asparagus back here. That's a double bunch because I really like asparagus. And we got a foil pack here with some mushrooms and onions in it. So yeah, I'm gonna go fire the grill up, get it preheated, and then we'll get all this thrown on there and do the grilling. Alright y'all, we got the old grill fired up here, about 400 degrees. We're going to sear these steaks before we actually slow cook them. So let's get them out here. And ooh yeah, got her going on. Oh yeah, we're going to throw our mushrooms over here, and we're going to get our asparagus on here to cook too. So alright, I'm going to turn the asparagus burner down just a hair. We're going to leave the other one on high. Close the lid, and we're gonna let her sear up for about 5-10 minutes. So bring you guys back in. All right, y'all, it's been a few minutes. Let's check these steaks and flip them over and see how they're doing. Get our asparagus over here on its own burner. Oh yeah, ooh, that's a nice sear on there. Oh yeah. Alright. Close the lid. We'll let it sear for about another 2 or 3 minutes. Then we'll turn her down to low and just let her slow cook until both of them are done to perfection. So we'll bring you guys back when we're in the midst of cooking a little further along. Alright y'all, it's been a little bit here. Let's give a check on our steaks. Ooh, they're looking good. Our asparagus is getting nice and tender. Oh yeah, I think we're about done, y'all. Oh yeah. Get that piece there. Alright, flip these suckers over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. So shut our grill off. Get our steaks on here. Grab our asparagus. Don't drop the steaks, Ed. That would be a horrible, horrible thing to happen. Get all our asparagus here. And of course we got to get our mushrooms and our onions. So there we be. Let's go in and get this plated up. Alright y'all, let's get this sucker plated up here. I'm gonna start out here and grab me the steak, which I want that steak there. We're gonna get us a helping of the asparagus. Get it all on the plate here. And we're going to cut these mushrooms and onions open. Take a peek at them. Oh, they look delicious. Oh yeah, they smell delicious. So put some of them right there. That looks awesome. Now, let's cut into the steak and see how we did done this wise. Oh, just a hair, just slightly pink. Probably don't show up good on camera, but just slightly pink. About a medium well, so I gotta taste it. Y'all, first thing we grill of the year. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's because we've been all winter without it. That tastes so delicious. So let's get up here and show you all a nice close-up of what we got here. That is beautiful, ain't it? That's a beautiful thing. Yumminess. All right, I'm not gonna do a taste test because I'm gonna sit down at the table and eat this. So love y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Keep grilling.